Hello students, I hope you have watched my first video. If not, please do watch it. Today's video is a continuation of the first video. Let's begin it. Firstly, let's discuss about software. The term software refers to the computer programs that are needed for running or operating a computer system. A program is a sequence of step-by-step instructions to perform a particular task. Software can be classified into two types. They are system software and application software. Let's discuss about system software. Programs that are designed to control the operations of a computer system are called system software. These programs assist in running application programs. System software can be classified into operating systems, drivers, interpreters, compilers, and assemblers. Let's discuss about operating systems. An operating system is the master control program that runs the computer. It controls the flow of signals from the central processing unit to the various parts of a computer. When the computer is switched on, the operating system is the first program loaded onto its memory. Some popular operating systems are Windows, Android, Linux, and Mac OS. Now let's discuss about drivers. A computer program that enables a computer to interact with another hardware device such as a printer, a pen drive, etc. is called a driver. Now let's discuss about compilers. A compiler is a program that translates a high-level computer language program into a machine language program. The compiler first reads the whole program and then at one go translates it into machine language. Now let's discuss about interpreters. An interpreter is a program that translates one statement of a high-level language program into machine code and executes it. It then does the same for the next statement and proceeds in this way till all the statements in the program have been translated and executed. Now let's discuss about assemblers. An assembler is a program that translates an assembly language program into a machine language program. We shall now discuss about application software. An application software is a computer program designed to help users in performing a certain type of work. It can be classified into two categories. They are packages and utilities. Let's discuss about packages. A package is a computer application consisting of one or more programs created to do a particular type of work. Packages include the following: word processors like WordPad and Microsoft Word, spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel, graphics and presentation software like Microsoft PowerPoint, database management systems like Microsoft Access, MySQL and Oracle, accounting packages like Tally. Now let's discuss about utilities. An utility program is a program designed to perform maintenance work on a system or on system components. For example, a storage backup program and a file recovery program. Now we shall discuss about computer languages. A computer language, also called a programming language, is a system of commands used to develop software for computers. While writing a program in a particular computer language, the symbols of the language must be used as per a set of rules known as the syntax of the language. Computer languages can be classified into two broad categories. They are low-level languages and high-level languages. Now let's discuss about low-level languages. Low-level languages are of two types. They are machine language and assembly language. Low-level languages are machine dependent. Code written for one machine might not work for the other. Now let's discuss about machine language. In machine language, Each instruction is written in the form of a long string of zeros and ones. These programs are directly understood by the computer but are difficult to write. Programs written in machine language can be executed very fast by the computer because the instructions can be processed directly by the CPU and no translation of the program is required. Now let's discuss about assembly language. Assembly language was the first computer language to use words made with letters of the English alphabet. It was developed in 1950. In assembly language, each instruction to the computer is written using a letter combination that tells the computer where the data is and what to do with it. Like machine language, assembly language is also machine dependent. Now let's discuss about high-level languages. High-level languages use English and mathematical symbols, and they made computer programming simpler. A program in a high-level language is called a source program. It cannot run directly on the computer. It must be compiled or interpreted first. High-level language programs are machine independent. They can be run on different types of computers without change. Some examples of high-level languages are BASIC, COBOL, Fortran, C, C++, and Java. Now let's move on to exercises. Let's begin with tick the correct option. First question is, which of the following is a system software? Option A, operating system. Option B, compiler. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of this. And the right option is option C, both A and B. Second question is, which of these computer languages has instructions in the form of strings of zeros and ones? Option A, assembly language. Option B, machine language. Option C, high-level language. Option D, none of this. And the right option is option B, machine language. Third question is, which of the following is not a high-level language? Option A, BASIC. Option B, COBOL. Option C, C++. Option D, assembly language. And the right option is option D, assembly language. Now let's move on to write true or false. First question is, software is the set of programs that controls the operations of a computer system. And it is true. Second question is, BASIC is an example of low-level language. It is false. Here are some interesting questions for y'all. Do try to answer them. That's all for today and have a nice day. Thank you.